The Stoics talk about loving everything that happens. Marcus says that what you add to a fire makes it burn more. So you need to practice and repeat the idea of loving everything that happens. Not just accepting or tolerating it, but embracing it and thinking, this is for me. I chose this, I want it this way, and it's the best thing that ever happened to me. When the computer eats your work, say, I love it. When you're stuck in traffic, say, I love it. When people criticize you on Twitter or your boss calls you out, say, I love it. This will make me better. When you're hungry, say, I love it, I'm alive. I'll make the most of it. Say, I love it, even when you lose someone you love. It may sound crazy, but being angry, resentful, or sad won't bring them back. So take what you can from the situation. That's what amorphity is about. Use it as fuel to become a better and improved person. Whether you have cancer, a disability, different skin color, height, or financial status, embrace it. Amorphity. I'll make the most of it. It won't stop me. I'll improve because of it. Like when Thomas Edison's factory burned down, he found his shocked son and said, go get your mother. We'll never see a fire like this again. That's amorphity. I used this in Rebuild. He told a reporter the next day, this will keep me from getting bored. It'll be the next chapter of my life. And that's what he did. He rebuilt without whining or complaining. He just moved on and kept going. We have to do the same with every obstacle, big or small, fair or unfair, chosen or tragic. Embrace it all, use it as fuel, and become better because of it. That's the key to greatness. It's the only way to approach life, turning the bad into good. Philosophy can teach any athlete, no matter if you're an amateur, a college hopeful, a highly sought-after recruit, or a pro earning millions. I recently spoke to the Cleveland Browns after Stoicism, and it started by telling them one thing. You have control over how you play. You can't control your teammates' actions. You can control how you play. You can't control what people say about you on Twitter. You can control how you play. You can't control the size of your contract. You can't control how you play. You can't control what people shout from the stands. You can't control how you play. You can't control what the referee says. Control how you play. You can't control the weather, snow, rain, or heat. You can't control how you play. You can't control if your teammates get injured. You can't control. You can't control if your teammates are fair. You can't control if the person ahead of you in your position supports or mentors you. You can't control how you play. You can't control if your opponents cheat. You can't control how you play. You can't control if your coach is a bully and yells at you. You can't control how you play. You can't control if people doubt you or don't believe in you. You can't control how you play today, regardless of yesterday's game. You can't control if you've lost to a team 1,000 times. You can't control how you play. You can't control. If your team wins, it's up to you how you play. You can't control if you lose, but you can control how you play. Right now at this moment, you have control over your actions. It doesn't matter if people doubt you or adore you. All that matters is how you play, the effort you put in, the choices you make, and the principles you follow. That's what you should judge yourself on. You can't control the outcome or the facts. The only thing you can control is how you play. But if we focus on what the Stoics said, if we only focus on what we have control over, we'll not only be happier, but we'll also have more energy and can concentrate on what's in front of us. While everyone else wastes time complaining and worrying about things they can't control, we'll have more to focus on. There are 2 words from ancient times that we should remember and repeat to ourselves in any situation. When something good happens to you, like winning the lottery, getting rich, or receiving recognition or an award, tell yourself, remember, you will die. When you face difficulties like going through tough times, experiencing betrayal, lies, theft, or someone else getting what you deserve, or when you encounter fights, mean comments, letdowns, annoyances, injuries, or falling out of love, or when work stress and sick children trouble you, say to yourself, remember, life is short, I'm going to die. What this means is that you shouldn't take any of these things too seriously. Don't let them burden you or make you arrogant, even if you're wealthy, famous, or achieving great things. Whether you have millions of followers, got hired, got into a prestigious institution, got nominated for an award, or received a promotion or raise, remember you will die. None of these achievements matter much in the grand scheme of eternity. Many others before you have received the same honors and now they're dead, just like you will be. What Mark has really said is that you should practice remembering that you will die. It's a reminder to accept the good things without being arrogant and to let go of the bad things without caring too much. Your plane is delayed and you're stressed, tired, hungry, frustrated, and cynical. You think to yourself, I will die. What am I taking any of these so seriously? Why am I letting it bother me? What's the importance of 3 hours here or there? Remember, you are going to die. What you control is whether you waste time getting upset about this, whether you waste time taking it personally. It doesn't matter if you're the best in the world or what you do or an unpaid intern. It doesn't matter if your work is loved or criticized by others. It doesn't matter if you have plenty of opportunities or none at all. It doesn't matter if you have all the money you need or you're barely making it. You say to yourself, I will die. None of this matters in the face of death. Whether you're having sex with a beautiful supermodel, putting your kid to bed, or sitting in your pajamas eating cereal, or standing in front of an important audience, remember you will die. Is this how you want to spend your time? Are you wasting it or living it fully? Are you embracing it or letting it slip away? Remember you will die. You could leave life right now. Let that determine how you speak, act, and think. No matter what you're experiencing or going through, whether your life is amazing or frustrating right now, remember, you will die. This difficult time will pass, don't forget that. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe, like our videos, comment, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.